Hello everyone, and welcome to GenerativeAIStudio. I'm excited to have you here. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence or simply curious about how AI is transforming the world, you've come to the right place. On this channel, you'll learn everything about generative AI from ChatGPT, AI agents, prompt engineering, image generation, video creation, coding with AI, automation, and the latest AI tools that are changing the way we work, create, and innovate. Whether you're a student, developer, content creator, freelancer, entrepreneur, or someone who wants to stay ahead of the technology curve, our easy-to-follow tutorials, real-world projects, practical tips, and AI news will help you master the future one video at a time. Our mission is simple: learn AI, build with AI, grow with AI. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and become part of the GenerativeAIStudio community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the very first video. Let's create the future together.